Hey everybody, it's Bassplay 12 or Mitch as you guys know me. Some of you have been asking to see kind of my setup on how I record. It's pretty simplistic if you ask me. So basically what I'm going to do is just take you through just a run through of what I do to record. And yeah, just my gear, how my setup is, what I used to record. And you're going to probably be super surprised how basic it is. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, there's my G&L that most of you have been seeing me play lately. Um, you guys know I have that Yamaha BB300. Um, it On my Yamaha I have D'Addario strings. This one probably just has the G&L strings from Fender that they put on there. My amp is a Fender Rumble 150. Puts out a lot of sound. On my guitar, I'm usually at maybe 4 on my volume, so I don't need to crank this thing up too much to get a lot of sound coming out of it. My cable is Livewire. Kind of expensive, but it comes with a lifetime guarantee, so it does the trick. Over the years, you've seen me change rooms. Whatever room I might be in, I just face this amp towards something that would just absorb the sound rather than facing it towards a wall and having it just bounce everywhere. So I face it towards a bed, face it towards curtains, just something where it can, whatever I'm facing it at, just absorbs the sound so we're not getting too much sound reflection. Okay, so from where I sit, just a pop-up table, laptop, speakers coming out of it. Usually just use my GoPro Hero 3 Plus. Actually, no, just a regular 3. And then today I'm going to start recording with my Hero Black 7, just to give you guys a feel of what it sounds like. So yeah, that's it. I mean, it's just one of those things where, you guys know, you get busy and you don't really want a ton of setup. You don't want to really put much going on into the editing. So basically what you're hearing is what you're getting. Some of you have commented like, whoa, you're not doing any, editing software or anything like that. It's just you're hearing everything going straight into the camera, nothing, no interface, no nothing. So it's just one of those things where, I've been doing this for 10 years, so you just go with the easiest setup and tear down, and that's basically it. So there you guys have it. If there's any other questions, let me know. So yeah, pretty darn good for this Hero 3. I really like the sound. Today I'm going to get a chance to check out the Hero 7 and see how the audio sounds through that. But yeah, I definitely don't want to quit on the Hero 3 just because I like the sound that I'm getting from it. So I'll just record both and I don't know, I'll just kind of play around and see which one sounds better. But there you have it, guys. That's basically my setup. Again, nothing too complicated, but that's where my life is right now. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it for that video. I will catch you guys on my next video.